And hello, today I want to change the, how it calls, a roller holder for the Milwaukee jigsaw, and we can see that the holder is here and this one is flattened here and really needs to be replaced because getting the blade out of the way. So I will try to punch this pin and I hope I will be able to remove the wheel and replace it like that. Taking the puncher, and you can see I probably can take the wheel out. Got it out, and we can see the small wear and tear sign of the oscillating action. And this one don't have that. You can check, yeah, they are same in the size. So now I'm inserting the new, I forgot how it was named on the package. Okay, and yep, got it in place. Now I need to align the holes to get the pin through the hole back. I can slightly hammer it, then check it. Yep, it's going in, so we can punch it again. Okay, a little bit more. Yeah, and we have fully replaced the wheel for the Milwaukee jig, the old one. You can see have the wear and tear here. You can see the difference when I'm spinning it around. So yeah, thank you for watching. That was a simple, fast, easy fix. Bye.